Morning, guys. How's it going? Welcome to Finn's Family Farm. I do have Mr. Finn with me. Finn. Hey, buddy. Well, he's busy. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on the channel. My name is Micah. If you're old here, thank you for coming back and clicking on the channel. My name is Micah. So we'll just do a little update. Babies are doing fine. Mama's eating right now. The baby's behind this house right here, playing. Oh, there's one right there. You'll see it, but we'll walk in there. So Dawn and her two babies are doing good. Dusk and her two babies are doing really good. There's old Titus. And here comes midnight. So the babies are over here playing. There's one. The other one's right there. Hey. They're doing good. Yeah. Well, you too, buddy. Well, you too. So they're doing good. There's the baby. Mama's still eating. Here's Dusk and her two babies. And they're eating. But everybody's doing fine. Everybody's eating and drinking milk. Hey, that's enough. And using me as a pillow. Look right there. Yeah, you good boy. Yeah, you good boy. Yeah, you good boy. Yeah, you good boy. All right, now I smell like a goat. Titus is over there being a little boy. Titus, what you doing, buddy? All right. Well, you gotta learn. I would stay in there with you longer, but you gotta learn. I'm not your personal rubber. All right. So now I'm gonna go feed the chickens and feed the cat. Make sure they're all okay. The two babies I had in this brooder, I moved to the chicken tractor yesterday to give them more space. They're getting bigger. And we also have more. Well, we were supposed to have more, but they didn't hatch out. So yeah, I need to clean that out. Morning, girls. Good morning. All right, so Ria's doing fine. She's eating right now. I just fed her. I'm gonna go over here and give the American breast some food, and then I'm gonna go over there and check on those little chickens, make sure they're okay. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Yeah, I'll go over there and eat. All right, we'll get a little bit of more food here, and we'll go check on those other babies. I don't see them. It should be okay, but they have food and water. Where are they at? All right. Hey, babies. Good morning. Well, this door got stuck. But they're there, right there. They don't know what to do in this new place. But these two, so those might end up going to freezer camp. Don't know yet. I do need to repair this. I need to put a new roof on. I need to put a new side on. It's starting to come undone. So I need to rebuild that. So yeah, there's a few things that I need to do. It's supposed to storm all day tomorrow. It's supposed to rain somewhat Saturday. I went to work last night. Yeah, I went to work around 12:30 Thursday morning. Got home at 4. And now I need to go back to work 12 o'clock p.m. lunchtime today, and get off at whatever time. So I can't do much today other than try and get some rest. There's some things I need to repair, but I haven't done it yet. Well, I did finish my my hunting school, so I'm now a hunter. I need to go buy my license so I can hunt, even though deer season's already over. But I get ready for next season when it comes deer season. And then I'll probably end up doing turkeys too, if I find any. And then this summer, I'll be hog hunting a lot, with shooting some hogs. They're not moving around much right now because it's changing weather, you know. But yeah, a lot of stuff going on. I'm gonna try and get it all filmed as much as I can. I'm still in the process of getting this worked on. For some reason, that push safety switch button won't work. I don't understand why. Let me turn the camera around and I'll show y'all. So for some reason, for some reason this button doesn't want to work. And I have no clue. I've already put a new button on there and it still wouldn't work. So something's not right. But I could take this wire off right here. I could touch the battery. I could touch the battery with it. And well, right now it won't because the battery's not turned on, or the thing's not turned on. But yeah, I could touch up the battery, it'll crank. But for some reason, that button will not come on. It will not work. So I gotta figure that out and see what's going on. I don't know. Because according to everything that I've looked up and did some research on, the wiring is right. So, I don't know. But for now, I'll just use that wire, touch the battery to start it that way. I still gotta look at the brakes, check the brakes on it. I haven't done that yet either. So, an old Betsy over there, she's ready to get a new facelift. She's all I think Ria's making some loud noises over there. So I need to do that. I'm also gonna build him his own little pasture right where he's at, actually. Let's see, that's gonna go 1, 2, 3 poles in, which is 20 feet wide, because those poles are 10 feet apart. Then I'm gonna go straight to the other pole right there. So all that right there will be his area by itself. He might not like that. We'll see. So I need to let the mamas and their babies out. Rhea, you're all right, girl. You're okay. Yeah, I think she's in heat. There's been another cat around here that keeps going, trying to get to her, and which then makes a dog, which makes Titus bark, which makes me wake up in the middle of the night to get rid of a cat. So if this cat doesn't learn its lesson and leave, I might have to take care of it another way. So we'll see. But yeah, there's Rhea right there, guys. Look, there's Rhea. Y'all can't see her, but she's sitting right there. What are you doing, Riri? So Rhea's right there. So what you doing, Riri? Hi, Rhea. You need to tell those boys to leave you alone and quit coming over here. They're gonna have some problems. Hey, little girl. Hey, little girl. Hey, babies. I'm doing so good. Yeah, you're being so good. You doing your ninja moves? Yeah. So those 4 babies will be for sale. About 3 or 4 months. Hey guys, so if you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification button. That way you get notified when we make our videos. And this is Finn. Y'all have a good day.